In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Squarespace. Whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a new email provider, making sure your email address is current ensures that you don't miss out on important notifications from Squarespace. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to make it even easier. First, let's start by navigating to the Squarespace website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in squarespace.com to get there. Once you've reached the homepage, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click on this icon to access your account settings. Within the account settings, you'll see a menu where you can manage various aspects of your profile. What you need to do next is click on the option labeled Security. This is where you can view and update your security settings, including your email address. As you scroll through the security options, you should encounter the email address section. Now, here's an important consideration. If you have been using a login provider like Google to sign into Squarespace, you might not see an email address field here. When you log in with an external provider such as Google, your email address, along with other related details, is managed through your Google account settings rather than Squarespace. This means any changes to your email address need to be done within your Google account itself. However, if you can see the email address section in your Squarespace security settings, you can go ahead and edit it there. Simply click on the field where your current email is listed, type in the new email address you wish to use, and save your changes. And that's it. Your new email address should now be updated in Squarespace, ensuring you stay informed about any updates, billing information, or notifications from your account. When managing your online presence, keeping your contact information updated is key to ensuring smooth communication. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily update your email address directly within Squarespace, or understand how to handle it if you use a login provider like Google. Making these changes not only keeps your profile up to date, but also secures your account by making sure you receive the latest information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the process of changing your email address on Squarespace easy and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.